There is no compromise in Bertuzzoni's commitment to making everyday cooking a pleasure, a beautiful experience. Bertuzzoni engineers developed counter depth range and worktop, which seamlessly aligns with flanking kitchen counter. This design integrates the range into the kitchen cabinetry, while still providing our largest cooking surface ever. Even the range front is flush with adjacent cabinetry for obstacle-free moving in the kitchen and a seamless transition from countertop to the appliance front. The continuous cast iron grates allow for unlimited sliding of cookware, even when hot or during the cooking process. The layout of the burners has been optimized, with the large 19,000 BTU heating zones being in the front to facilitate high-temperate food preparation, like wok cooking and/or active searing. The simmer burners are positioned for the preparation of more delicate and low-temperature recipes. The main top is molded out of a single piece of stainless steel, with all rounded corners, making any cleanup a breeze. This highly innovative engineering design not only delivers excellent performance, but also an extraordinary cooking experience.